started at 6 o'clock from Noida, and at 9 o'clock crossed Manesar Toll. So we stopped over at the MACD here, so you can see the MACD. So we just stopped here, had our dinner. So now moving forward. So good morning everyone. So yesterday night around 1 o'clock we reached ahead of Jaipur. Now see, early morning, bright sunlight. We're staying at a place, getting ready for the day. See this. See the bright sunlight. That's the highway. You're right on the highway.
ये तो नहीं था, नहीं ये नहीं है। But that was a better road, sir. यहाँ से चली जाना है।
We have reached Kishangarh. This is the association building where you can access the dump yard. It seems it's called the Moonland. It's one of the beautiful places in Kishangarh. So and it's a waste out of all those marble stones which they have. So they have built a nice place for the tourists. It's one of the beautiful buildings here. See this. This is the Marble Association building. Kishangarh Marble Association building.
एक आदमी का लिख देना पर।
See this Moonland.